And you guys asked me for a flavor, so I'm gonna do a flavor for you, so you know it's rice mug. So right now, we are heading to the beach right now. Big up foot, come on. Okay, so right now we are heading to the beach right now. My friend just came from New York, and he came for me, and he's taking me to the beach. Me and my girlfriend, my sister-in-law, and my cousin, my neville, and my friend. So we are all here getting ready. So I want to drive in the back of this van. I don't think I'm gonna go in the front. I'm gonna go in the back because I want to catch some views. You get what I'm saying? I want to catch some views. You see what I'm saying? So I'm here, man, and I'm just chilling. So guess what, guys? See you. No, 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 no. You girls get in the car. Let me see you pretty girls get in the car. That's my friend. He just came from New York. That's my. so guys. Oh, so guys.
Go over and put your foot first. Go over. Put your foot up first.
So we are going in the back. The car right here.
Oh, I forgot to say you know where boy sit down. Boy, they sit down for high.
No, yes, I mean, want to sit down, you know. Yeah, alright. So guys, guess what going on, guys? See you when I'm on the road, okay? So guys, we stop at the gas station to get some gas. You see what I'm saying? So we stop at the gas station to get some gas, and the rain is also falling. We are getting some gas right now. Oh.
Very fast. White.
Oh.
Let me see.
Oh, Jamie, for you.
You're out.
Yeah.
Yo, listen, look at this guy. This guy is really friggin' crazy. You know what this guy is doing? Lighting the cigarette and the gas. So crazy. Alright, ready?
Come in a bomb book. Come in a hand.
So guys, we are here. We are just chilling, having some fun. The rain is falling, so I'm gonna be in the rain, going to the beach. Alright guys. So guess what, guys?
Going to party tonight, yeah.
If you can see over there, guys, some crazy people over there, guys. And it's awesome, man. It's awesome, man. It's so freaking awesome, man.
Very fast.
This dude is sitting right there on the van back right there. I will never sit right there. I will never. So guys, guess what, guys? See you later on down the road, guys. Yo guys, if you see what's going on right now, guys, the rain is falling, guys, and we are in the van back, guys. Look at those crazy guys. They're hiding from the rain right now. Hey! So huh? Wow!
Why them man got blood clot? I saw over there some full of rain, daddy.
Where?
Yo, look over the phone. Oh, look over there some back in front of me.
What's that?
In front of we are there. Eh? Look.
So the rain is falling.
What in the area friend was that? If I want to chat to you, when we are not fall, our breeze are blow.
So guys, see you later at the beach, okay? So guys, we are at the beach right now. We just reached at the beach.
Police.
The police then.
You see, I'm over police.
Oh, sleeping police then.
Ah, Both of you remember some around here, dog. Very fast. White. Lucky you around this boat. Lock off. Please. How the beach looks, dog?
Beach.
Hi, daddy.
Oh my God, Mamma Mia! Woo! We are at the beach, guys. We are at the beach, guys. So, guys, guess what going on now? We're gonna get stuff ready to go in the water. So, see you when we are out this van. Ah.
Hey, me say, rain sting. If you know rain, I think you know face.
What?
If you know rain, I think we know face, so nice sting, you know. Stand there. You want to lick in our face, right?
So, guys, we are at the beach right now. This is the beach. You get what I'm saying, man? So, we are going over there to go in the water and have some fun. So see you guys when we in the when we in the water. Guano. Yo, you're too short, dog. You're short. And catch your tall. You can't catch it. Can't catch it. Of course. Jim, stop! Stop. Me about to boof. So guys, we are at the beach right now, guys, and what do you think, guys? I don't feel like to go in the water right now because
Hey guys, welcome to Bluefields, Westmoreland. See, the ocean is beautiful. Jeremy, get up. Eh?
What's up, guys? I'm here and I'm just chilling. It's your boy and we are at this lovely Jamaican beach, guys, and it's so fucking awesome, guys, and it's so cute, guys. So guys, I'm wondering, guys, what I'm gonna do right now. If I should go in the water. James, stop. I'm wondering if I should go in the water because, you know what I mean, Jamaican beach is like this, man, and it's a Sunday, it's not a holiday, but it's gonna be awesome today. It's gonna be beautiful today. Look at this lovely water, guys.
Come, Jamie, come.
Lovely water, guys.
Come, Pa.
What did you buy on the
Boy! Wait now.
So we are just here.
You chat too much to people, they want to see the ocean.
Alright,
Alright. Ciao.
Wow, guys, so I'm in the water right now, as you can see, guys. So he's your boy. And the water is so fucking awesome today. And the water is chilling, man, but I don't know if I'm gonna be scared of the water today, guys. So that's my friend and that's my little cousin, and they are in the water right now, guys. Oh my God, Mamma Mia! So guys, I don't know if I'm gonna go out there, but because my friend is out there right now, but you guys are scared. What's up, bro? Army. Jamie, come. Come, Pa, come, Papi, come. Huh? Bring him down. What? Jamie, come. Come baby, get in the water. Jamie, just making one place, So my girlfriend is in the water. Such a me watching babes. My girlfriend is in the water right now and she's scared of the water. Babes, go there.
Water?
You scared. Popeye. Oh my God, guys, look over there, guys. Those guys are over there making love. Oh my God, they're all the way down there.
Come now.
So
Come.
I'm here, guys, and you know I load up vlogs every day, guys. You make sure you subscribe and you like to your boy channel because we're gonna get slick. We're gonna get slick like every friggin' single day, bro. You know I'm just chilling, man. You know it's your boy, and we do crazy stuff like every friggin' single day. So as I'm saying right now, guys, I'm gonna be doing some reaction video reaction video tomorrow, or I'm gonna do some go on the street and do some vlog on the street. But today it's today's an awesome day. My friend just came, as I'm saying, my friend just came from New York, came to see me, and that motherfucker is over there right now, chilling. Is what I'm saying, man. So it's everyday thing, man. Babe.
No, don't give me now.
Holy sh.
What is the plan?
Huh?
Bring me back. Lisa, bring me back.
Oh, the deep.
Jennifer, bring him.
You stand up.
Jennifer, bring him. I need to pay money. Yes, man.
Papi, hold on, Papi. Hold on, Papi. Hold on, Papi. Hold on, Papi. No Lego, Papi. No Lego, Papi. No Lego. Hold on, Papi. No Lego. No Lego, Papi. Hold on, Papi. Daddy no let him kill you. Daddy no let him kill you, Papi. Hold on, Papi. Hold on, very tight, Papi. Papi, no Lego, Papi. That's my son, guys, and he's so scared of the deep water, guys. But anyway, guys, hold on, Papi. No Lego, Papi. No, Papi. Hold on, Papi. Come, Papi. Come. Come, Daddy, come here, Papi. Come. Oh my God, guys! Look at those sexy girls, man. Look, my girlfriend. She's so sexy, man. Look at her, man. I just love the way she looks. She's just so sexy, man. Oh my God! Oh my mama! Wow! Wow! Look at that! Look at that! That's the nigga, man. That's what I'm telling you about. He's from New York. You get what I'm saying, man? Peace, brother, you motherfucker. Anchor. Oh, that's a deep. No. So, guys, remember, guys, subscribe and like to your boy channel, guys. Remember, guys. Oh.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
Say hi.
You want to go back?
Say hi. Say hi.
Stop get trouble. Nice, stop get trouble.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro.
Wow.
Get in trouble.
Holy mama mia. Huh? So guys, we are just chilling, guys. The water is nice, guys. And guys, you know what I like about Jamaican beach, guys? Our sand. This is my sand here. I own this sand right here. It's so, oh my. No, Jimmy, stop. No, stop. That's, babe, this is for you, babe. This is for you, babe. Oh! Oh my God, guys. I was just writing my girlfriend, say to her that I love her. And as you can see, guys, the water just came right up here, guys, and just washed it out, guys. Do you believe that, guys? But anyway, guys, I'm going in the water, guys, to have some fun. My camera is not waterproof, guys, because I will get some awesome camera, guys, a little bit later from this, guys. But anyway, guys, just see you later, guys. Subscribe and like Steve Boy channel, because it's gonna get slick like friggin' single every friggin' single day, bro. I'm out. So anyway, guys, we are just playing. I wasn't videoing at all. We was right there making our video and so forth. And my sister-in-law, she cut his foot. No, hold on, my video. She just cut his foot right there. Hey boy, me camera boy. So guys, see you later on. What's going on, guys? And I'm back, guys. We was at the river, at the beach. So we are at the river right now, guys. And this water here, guys, it is so awesome.
Make the video boy.
No, man. Huh?
I am a hero from Jamaica.
So guys, as you can see what's going on, guys, it's an awesome place, guys. And I'm here, and we are just chilling. Babe. So guys, it's a what I'm saying, guys, it's a tunnel, but it's a very short tunnel, guys. It's a very short tunnel, guys, and the tunnel is right all the way over here. So, as you can see, guys, that's the tunnel. But I don't want to go in that tunnel because it looks so fucking scary, guys. So I'm not going to go inside. So, my battery is dying in the video, guys. So I'm gonna go home and edit this video and load it up for you guys. So subscribe and like, and I'm out.